Hello students, I am Ashish De. I am taking one of your subject, that is digital communication. In my earlier video, I have solved some problem related to signal to quantization noise ratio. In this video, I want to solve some problems related to probability theory. Okay, so the first problem is given by a box contains 3 red, 4 white and 5 black balls. One ball is drawn at random. Find the probability that it is red, in B not black, or in C black or white. So there are three cases. Okay, so we have to find out the probability. At first, in this problem, how many balls are there? Total number of balls equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 12. Okay, so there are total numbers of balls are 12. So what will be the probability for drawing a ball that will be red? So that will be, there are a total 3 red balls, and from the definition of probability we know the probability of any event is equal to ways of choosing that event by total number of events. So here total numbers of events are 12. Okay, and there are total 3 red balls. Okay, so the probability of choosing a red ball or drawing a red ball from total 12 balls will be 3 by 12. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 4. So that is the probability. Now what is the probability of drawing a, what is the probability that the ball is drawn that should not be black? At first we have to find out what is the probability of drawing a black ball. Okay, so the probability of getting a black ball will be probability of B, that is equal to, there are total 5 numbers of black ball, so 5 by 12 is the probability of getting a black ball. Okay, so probability of getting a ball that is not black will be P of B bar or B complement. Okay, that is equal to 1 minus PB, because 1 is the whole thing. Okay, so from 1 we have to subtract it, the probability of getting black ball from 1. Okay, so that will be equal to 1 minus 5 by 12, right? Because probability of getting a black ball equal to 5 by 12. Okay, so that will be equal to 7 by 12, right? Now probability of getting black or white ball. Okay, so this is the joint probability. Okay, so the ball may be black ball or white ball, that is indicated by probability of black plus white. Okay, so that is basically equal to probability of getting black ball plus probability of getting white ball. Okay, so that is equal to probability of getting black ball equal to 5 by 12, and probability of getting white ball, there are total 4 numbers of white balls. Okay, so 4 by 12, so that will be equal to 9 by 12, that is equal to 3 by 4, right? So this is the probability that the ball is drawn is either black ball or white ball, right? Now in the second example, there are two dice, so two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting a 5. Okay, so there are two dice and we have to find out the probability of getting the sum of two numbers should be 5. Okay, so two dice thrown, so from among the two dice, what are the total number of possible outcome? So total numbers of possible outcome will be equal to, because we know that each die has 6 faces. Okay, so the total number of possible outcomes will be 6 into 6 equal to 36, because there are two dice. Okay, now each outcome is having an equal probability of occurrence. Therefore probability of any outcome is 1 by 36. Okay, so what will be the events of getting 5 among the all possible outcomes? There may be 4 1 or 3 2 or 2 3 or 1 4. So in these events only we are getting 5, otherwise we are getting different numbers. Okay, different sums. So there are total 4 outcomes, four possible, there are 4 outcomes where we are getting the sum is 5. Okay, so the probability of getting 5 will be equal to probability of event A. A event is the getting is to getting 5. Okay, so probability of A will be 4 by 36, so that is equal to 1 by 9, because there are total 36 of outcomes, and among these 36 outcomes only 4 outcomes will get we get the sum 5 from only 4 outcomes. Okay, so the probability of getting 5 equal to 4 by 36, right? In the next example, or in the third example, two cards are drawn at random from an ordinary deck of 52 playing cards. Obtain the probability that one card is a diamond and the other card is a heart. Okay, so this is the problem given. From here we can see that since two cards are drawn, there are 52 into 51 by 1 into 2. Okay, ways of drawing two cards. Okay, because if I take one card, the remaining cards will be 51. Okay, so when first time we are taking one card, then the available cards are 52. Okay, in the next time, in the second time, the available cards will be 51. Okay, so total numbers of ways of drawing two cards from a deck will be this. So this is the total numbers of total number of ways of drawing two cards from the deck will be equal to this. So what is the value? That is equal to 1326 number of ways, right? So this. Now again, because there are 13 diamonds and 13 hearts. As we know, there are 13 diamonds among 52 playing cards and 13 hearts card among 52 cards. Okay, so there are 13 into 13, that is equal to 169 ways of drawing a diamond or heart. Diamond or heart, right? Because there are 13 ways of drawing diamond card as well as 13 ways of drawing a heart card. Okay, so what will be the probability of drawing a diamond or and other card is heart? That will be the probability of event A, that is equal to 169 by 1326. Okay, so that is basically equal to 13 by 102. Okay, so this is the probability that one card is diamond and the other card is heart. Okay, so from this video what we learn how to find out the probability of different examples, basically examples of cards, example of dice, or example of drawing a red, white or black ball like this. Okay, so you basically learn probability in your class 12 course. So this is the basically the recapitulation of that course. Okay.